going to make Laal Maas. So for Laal Maas, I have ordered 500 grams of mutton. So this is from Licious, and they have sent some kebabs also just for testing, trial pack. It's kind of trial pack. So Afghani Murg Seekh Kebab. Okay, thanks Licious. Okay, so first of all, actually the meat will be made tomorrow. So today I'm going to marinate the mutton. Then I will be preparing the curd mixture, which will be going inside the mutton tomorrow only. Okay, so this is the mutton, half kg mutton. I'll be washing it and then marinating it with the only ginger garlic paste and little pinch of salt. And tomorrow we'll be making it. So yeah. So this is the mutton. I suggest that don't wash the mutton much because mutton has essential fats in it. So they should not wash away with the water. So I'm just using market ginger garlic paste. No, actually I like ginger garlic paste very much, so that's why I'm adding it more. And then pinch of salt. Salt not much because salt will be added afterwards also. We'll mix it thoroughly. Wash your hands because the bones are very sharp. I'll keep it overnight. Usually mutton or meat are marinated not more than 2 or 3 hours, but I'll be refrigerating this, so it will be little bit kept. It can be kept a little bit longer also. Smell is good. Okay, now we will prepare the curd mixture. First, I'll just take, this is a 200 grams, so half kg mutton is there. So probably 3/4 of this curd will be used. A little bit fond of curd, so I'm using a little bit more. And yes, the most important thing for the Laal Maas is the Mathania Mirch. So I'll little bit tell you about that. So it's not usual red chilies which are available in the market. These are I specially bought them from Amazon. You can also find it on Amazon. So these are Mathania is a place near Jodhpur, so you can find it there. And actually the property of you can say the quality of this particular chili is that it's not at all hot, so that's why it is just purely for the color. So this is dhania powder, a little much of it. Red chili powder, and this is very slight. I'm adding little bit only because after all the Mathania Mirch will show its colors. Jeera powder, pinch of jeera powder, not much, only this much. Haldi, very slight. And very important is the mustard oil. The sharpness of mustard oil is very must. So I'll I'll add a little bit. Not a little bit, it's much only. Okay. Yes. The sharpness of the mustard oil is very important because the Rajasthani food is known for kind of its sharpness. So yeah, you can see the texture of this. So yeah, the smell is also good. Now, most important, Mathania. This is Mathania mirch. I will show you how long this is. So you can see it's as long as my palm, around as long as my palm. The quality is that it has very less seeds, almost zero seeds, and it's very colorful. Tomorrow when I'll add these, you will see. So for half a kg mutton, I'll put around 10 to 12 chilies. What you can do is you can remove the seeds, whatever the seeds are there inside, or you can just simply use it. Sharpness or the hotness will not be very different, but yes, the seeds will be very different. Okay, so I'll take one bowl and just, yes, very important, never use usual red chilies. Those are very hot, and if you will add this much of chilies in the mutton, you will not be able to eat it. Definitely, I'm very sure you will not be able to eat it. What I'm going to do is that I'll just soak these in water, keep it for overnight, and tomorrow I'll just make a paste of these. If you want to make chili paste immediately, you can soak the chilies in warm water or lukewarm water. Tomorrow we'll be cooking, and let me keep all this. The mutton goes in the fridge, the dahi goes in the fridge, and this can be outside also, no problem. We'll just cover it up. And then we'll meet tomorrow and we'll cook Laal Maas. Good night, everyone. So, good morning, everyone. Yesterday we prepared the marination, we prepared the curd, and this is the wow factor, the Mathania Laal Mirch paste. I've added some garlic also. So garlic is little bit extra because the ginger garlic paste which is in the mutton is in the 50-50 ratio. So little bit extra garlic has to be added. So I have added garlic in the chili paste, and I've taken 3 onions, medium size onions. So onion has to be sliced, and take ghee. So the Laal Maas is made in ghee only. Some dry spices. It's badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, dalchini. You can add curry patta also. No, sorry, not curry patta, tej patta. So I'll slice the onion. You can take less than half of the mutton what is there with you. The onion, quantity of onion you can take less than half. So if 1 kg mutton is there, you can take around 250 grams. Okay, now शुरू करते हैं. Okay, so now we'll add spices. I've added a little bit of oil into it also, so that the ghee does not burn. So the spices, dry spices, I'll be adding 3/4 choti ilaichi, 1 badi ilaichi, दालचीनी not much, long, three to four long, garlic.